Hi and welcome back everyone. Today, product photography. How you can get easily, at home and cheap, some nice effects doing some romantic photoshoot. Just a simple composition, simple session, couple of props. So this is our candle holder, and what we did here, we bought some props, set up some glasses, shallow depth of field always helps, so 50mm is your friend. I was using Sigma 18-35 f1.8, and this is it, just basic props. You probably got everything at your home. Let's go one by one afterwards what you need to buy to set something like that and how much it costs. This firelight, those are sparkling fireworks, so this is something just additionally you can do in the evening, because here the time for those images were around 3 to 4 seconds. High aperture, so we will have the longer exposure time, ISO 100, and there so this is everything we got. Some green leaves, just to make a foreground or the background, or to be blurred out when we are framing something in the shot. The home decor, some candles, some different stuff, just something that looks fancy, so we can put it in the frame for everything to be nice and in one subject. Hearts, as always, red, heart-shaped, everything will go. Cheap as hell, you can buy this anywhere, probably at your local flower shop. Flowers, pick a bunch of those, they are cheaper. If you take shorter ones, it's easier to put them into the frame. If you take longer ones, you can, of course, as you see right now, shoot something between those. Hearts, again, those are on a string, it's easier to make the composition. Some wine glasses are coming next, and glass will do. Just pick up something fancy and you're golden. Grab a gift bag with some nice textures, grab a big ass rose so you can pick up the petals and throw them all around, and there you have it. Everything, couple of bucks, it's not that expensive, and of course our product should be pin sharp in the middle of everything, and there you have it. Shallow depth of field will make everything easier, and of course everything you buy, you will have this for eternity and you can reshoot and reuse this in other photoshoots. Enjoy the photos. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment sections.